So those are really the main things that I shop for, but I really like to shop for everything. Hello, my name is Stacie and I am the talent booker here at the Ohio office. What that means is all of the model talent that you see photographed on the website, I am the one that sources that talent. I have a little bit of a shopping problem. I think the first events that I gravitate to on the site is anything beauty related, clothing events and shoes, and then anything home related. So those are really the main things that I shop for, but I really like to shop for everything. So I think we'll start with this. So over the summer, I redid my daughter's bedroom. She is turning 12 in September, and she's now full on tween mode. I redecorated her bedroom while she was away, and I bought her this really cute little llama pillow. It's blowing a bubblegum bubble. And the color was really cute because it just matches with her room. It's her favorite color. And of course, who doesn't love a cute llama? Llamas are amazing. Like, her whole room is actually all white and all of her bedding is white, and then I just accent it with some like really big fluffy turquoise colored pillows. So I thought this like mint with the pink and the white would go really, really well with it. So next we'll go in here. Okay. So the first thing I have is, again, with my daughter's bedroom. It is a brand new set of sheets. We did buy her a new bed. So she went from a twin size bed to a queen size bed. Everyone can always use a fresh set of sheets. These are really great. They're just like this really cute like dotty stripe. It has 2 pillowcases, a flat sheet and a fitted sheet. And the quality is really nice. It's just 100% cotton, so it's always gonna wash really well. The next thing I bought was a dress for myself. I love wearing like flowy kind of like dresses, and I got this really cute dress. It's kind of got like a couple of buttons in the front. It kind of has like a slit up here, and then it's really long. It should go all the way down to my ankle. I thought it'd be a really cute like fall transitional dress that you could like pair with booties and like a cute jacket, and it has like a really cute like floral print, but it's not like overpowering. The material is actually very soft. It's almost, kind of feels like almost like a rayon, like cotton blend. It has a lot of fun stuff in here. Okay, so in this box, first thing is the makeup eraser. It's basically a washcloth that you use with only water, and it's supposed to completely melt off your makeup, not using a lot of extra products and stuff on my face, and I don't have to. So when I can use something like this, I can only use water and it'll melt my makeup off, but then also follow up with my normal skincare routine, I really, really am intrigued. So I'm gonna open it up. I think they make a larger size in this, but I got the smaller one just because I was only using it for my face. But it comes like this, and then you obviously like wet it with just water, very soft, almost like microfiber. It's supposed to take off waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, just any kind of like makeup, anything that's on your face. And this is supposed to last 3 to 5 years. And then piggybacking off of that, I got Philosophy Purity Made Simple One-Step Facial Cleanser. Something I've actually tried before. When I saw that they were selling 2 bottles of it, I decided to go ahead and grab it because it's really great to have 2, because then I can have 1 in my downstairs bathroom and 1 in my upstairs bathroom. The really great thing about this is that it's really great because it doesn't feel like you're stripping your skin of all of the moisture that's already in your skin. So, and it just smells like really good. There's that. Last purchase I have is a home purchase. I have been wanting to get one of these, and it is a butter dish, and I always like to use real butter. It's always hard because you always have to keep it in the fridge. So I bought this really cute butter dish to keep it on our table, and it's very simple. It just says butter me up, you know, and it's terracotta. I actually have all Fiesta ware in my house, so I thought this would be a really good, simple butter dish that would go with everything else in my kitchen. Actually going to be in the process very soon of redoing our kitchen. Whenever it's finished, it's going to be just very clean. So I love just the very simple aesthetic of the kitchen, but then like adding really fun pops of color. I don't know. I am really excited to try this makeup eraser because I've heard so many good things about it. Anytime somebody makes a claim like that, I'm like, okay, I have to try it. So thank you for unboxing with us. Comment down below what your favorite skincare product is and why it works for you. I always really love trying out new things, and I will be waiting for your comments in the comment section.